All right, guys, we got another G-body. 1987 Monte Carlo SS Aerocoupe with T-tops. Arguably one of the most sought-after G-bodies. She has the 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Paint, in my opinion, on a driver quality scale, it's a solid 7.8. As you can see, she got the stock N90s. In my opinion, you don't get no better than a G-body. You might have to do an engine and drivetrain swap. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. As y'all can see, she's very solid. Deck lid is in great shape. Trunk nice and clean. T-top covers. Interior is in good condition. She has power windows, power locks, rally sport gauges, bucket seats, console. Seats have minor discoloration, typical with a T-top. Upper dash. Lower. Back seat in good condition. Package tray. headliner. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has the stock 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. She has power brakes, AC, power steering, cruise control, all the creature comforts. Let's start her up. Go over and visit rollermuseum.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. Financing available. All the contact information in the description below. Y'all have a good one.